How to make a balanced diet plan for 10 days. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is the cornerstone of any weight loss plan. So why do not all of us have it? It's because devising a healthy diet plan can be difficult work, with so many foods to choose from. How do you determine which ones are healthiest? Is there a way to make this process easier? How to make a balanced diet plan for 10 days. Making a balanced diet plan for 10 days. It is not an easy task. You need to know what to eat and how many calories you must take per day. It's also important to include in the daily menu nutrition products that are necessary for the body. A balanced diet is the key to a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet will make you feel and look great. And it will help you to stay in shape. Sometimes we can't follow a proper diet. Due to our busy schedule. Therefore, we need to find recipes that can be adapted quickly and easily into our everyday life. A balanced diet is vital for good health. If you are following a weight loss program, it is important to have a balanced diet plan. A balanced diet should include all the basic food groups, including fruits and vegetables, grains, dairy products, and proteins. A balanced diet includes complex carbohydrates. That is low in fat. These carbs provide energy without increasing blood sugar. A balanced diet plan should include the proper amount of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins to keep your body going strong. If you are looking for a way to lose weight, a balanced diet is a good place to start. There are several diets existing, as there are dangerous weight loss myths. So that intake vogue do you have to select? Once you are on a get fit quick and have simply 10 days? It seems various studies have found it primarily does not matter that a range you follow for fast weight loss, be it low carb or low fat, as long as you intake fewer calories than you are burning. Prepare your mindset and start writing down. There ought to be no quantity of your time you limit yourself to create a healthy alternative, says Leah George Simon Kaufman, RD, owner of Leah George Simon Kaufman Nutrition in the Big Apple Town. Whether you are losing pounds, To boost your heart health? Or shedding for the marriage? Do that wholly accomplishable. 10-day fast weight loss arrange. You'll burn fat and feel healthier and a lot of assured. Set affordable expectations for what you propose to attain throughout your challenge. You will completely build a distinction in 10 days. Says poet Albert, RD, a specialist in the Big Apple town. And also the author of the Diet Ward. However, do not expect to shed 20 pounds as a largest loser. While actual weight loss area unit reaching to be around 3 to 4 pounds. You will be ready to very notice the excellence among the tactic your body feels in an exceedingly few weeks. Water writing log exercise. All of our RD consultants agree. Liquid is crucial for weight loss. Water is thus necessary once making an attempt to thin. Since it helps to your feeling full between meals. Says Amy Shapiro, RD, founding father of Real Nutrition NYC in the Big Apple town. Here's an easy association rule of thumb. Shoot to consume as several ounces of water as your total weight in pounds. Reduce calories counting. It's even as necessary and useful to concentrate on diet quality instead of amount. Says a 2018 study revealed within the Journal of the Yankee Medical Association. Focus on real foods instead of a strict range of calories. And you are a lot of possible to remain slim over the long run. Celery, cucumber, and asparagus. All area unit natural diuretics. In order that they will facilitate to get rid of fluid from the body. Olive oil, fat helps food style higher and tames your craving. Be an alcohol-free. Alcohol will influence our food decisions and will lead to creating poor food decisions. George Simon Kaufman says, this is strictly why Albert recommends this easy-to-remember expression. For the remainder of the 10-day fast weight loss plan, lots of water, no alcohol, heaps of greens and lean proteins. Know what you eat. Grab a journal. If I believe my jeans have got a touch tight, I write down everything I eat for 3 days. Albert says. That helps Pine Tree. State shut down my selections and together prevents any of those not worth it bites that do add up over the course of on every day. The responsibleness of following has been tried to assist you to lose concerning 5%. A lot of your weight compared to people who abstain, in step with a study revealed. Within the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Life Science. No pain, no gain. Now that you simply understand that you simply tend to hunt out a brownie at 3 p.m. or down an additional glass of wine, along with your BFF at a time of day. Aim to omit 1 or 2 of these triggers. From your agenda on a daily basis. Processed foods, white carbohydrates, and sweet drinks cause sugar spikes, which can cause hunger or powerful cravings, which can wreck your progress, Shapiro says. Pass on the deep-fried foods. George Simon Kaufman says. As they are high in fat, low in nutrition, and also the excess oil can leave you feeling energetic. Remove further sugar from your diet. Sugar in your occasional, tasteful or sweet dairy farm product. Primarily anytime you sweeten one thing, stop, Albert says. By removing further sugars from your diet. For simply 14 days will assist you lose up to a pound a day. Be prepared. Eat the majority of your calories before 3 p.m. And you are a lot of possible to be slim. Then your splurge at dinner peers. Says a global journal of fat study. A healthy jumpstart must always embody a minimum of 50% contemporary vegetables. George Simon Kaufman says. Regardless of that meal packs the foremost calories. Always certified to possess a lean macromolecule at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, she added. Fitness routine. Supplement your current fitness routine with an additional 20 minutes of biking, rowing, or running on a daily basis. I believe weight coaching job for overall fitness and health, but if I'm creating an effort to shed some pounds, I will be able to up my cardio game. For a few weeks, Shapiro says. I firmly believe weight loss is possible. whatever you place in your mouth. I take into account food first, then add exercise for the most effective results. Countless studies have found that diet plays a far larger role in weight loss than 150 minutes of exercise per week is usually recommended. Keeping up weight in a lot of significantly improve overall physical and mental well-being. Change your menu. Rather than a detox, follow Shapiro's deprivation-free plan these days to jumpstart your metabolism. From the instant you come to start. Breakfast: 2 cooked eggs on 2 cups of greens, steamed plus 1 cup of occasional, and 2 cups of water. Morning snack: 1 little piece of fruit plus 1 cup of water. Lunch: a salad added with 4 ounces of chicken and cup quinoa, plus 2 cups of water. Afternoon snack: 1 cup cucumber slices with cup hummus, plus 1 cup of inexperienced tea. Dinner: half dozen ounces of salmon, 2 cups of steamed broccoli and cauliflower, cup sweet potato cubes pan-fried in 1 tablespoon oil, plus 2 cups of water. Track your weight measurement. According to the National Weight Management Written Record, information that tracks over 10,000 people, World Health Organization have lost over 30 pounds and unbroken them off for a minimum of 1 year. 75% of the foremost eminent dieters weigh in a minimum of once per week. Now that you've reached the top of your 10-day diet pilot, step the size and write your progress. Conclusion. If you are serious about losing weight, it is important to follow a balanced diet plan by using the guide provided. You can easily determine which foods are best for your body and develop a healthy eating schedule that will help you realize your weight loss. Are you looking for an all-natural supplement to help with digestion and boost your immune system? Click the link in the description to know more.